This session we will discuss the problem on set square. We have a problem of a set square having the longest side 60 mm and angle 60 degrees 30 degrees set square resting on HP on one of its longest side, and the set square itself makes an inclination with HP at 45 degree and the longest side is inclined to VP at 30 degree. So how to solve this? As usual, we need to divide the data to 3 steps. For the first step, resting condition, we need to check that set square is resting on longest side, that is 60 mm longest side should be kept on the left side, and 60 degree, by using 60 degree and 30 degree we will construct the set square, and when we keep it like this in top view it will be looks like this. 60 mm line will become on the left side and the 60 degree 30 degree we need to draw the 2 lines and we will get the third point, and in front view it is look like a straight line. And the point A and this will be B. To get the third point, here we can construct the triangle by using different data. Either we can, if you know the 3 sides length, we can construct it, or if you know the 3 angles, we can construct. And same way here they given 1 length and 2 angles, we can construct it. And to construct that, what we need to do, here they given 30 degree, 60 degree, the angles, 2 angles they given. Either you can take 30 degree here or you can take downside. Up to our wish, I will take the 60 degree downside. From here we mark the 60 degree point and draw the line passing through that 60 degree, and this angle should be 60 degree. And same way from here mark the 30 degree and then passing through that we need to draw one more line, and this will be 30 degree, and the intersection point will be our third point, that is C, and remaining these extra lines you can erase it and you make it this one visible. Now we got the set square ABC of 30 degree, 60 degree and longest side is 60 mm, and the front view is look like a straight line. So that's why from all these corners we need to draw the vertical projection till the XY line, and this one make it visible. And we know that this is the B can be seen, A is hidden, that's why this naming will be B dash of A dash and this will be C dash. Okay, first step is finished. Next step, they need to check the surface inclination or lamina inclination. Here they given set square itself is inclined to HP at 45 degree. Means set square is nothing but lamina. This lamina is inclined to HP at 45 degree. We need to make this one 45 degree by keeping the resting this longest side on HP. So that's why first we need to mark the resting point, that is B dash of A dash on the XY line, and then measure 45 degree, put a dot, and passing through that we need to draw a line 45 degree, and then measure from B dash to A dash, measure this and take the B dash A dash center and draw the arc. We will get C dash and then join it. Now we made it, this lamina is inclined, this set square is inclined to HP at 45 degree. And next, to get the top view, draw the projections, vertical projections and horizontal projections to get the top view. And here A and A dash, we will get it A, and here B and B dash, we will get the B, then C and C dash, we will get C. Then after getting all the points, join A, C and back to A. Like this we need to join. Second step is finished. Now coming to the last step, the longest side is inclined to VP at 30 degree they given. So we made it, it should retain 45 degree to HP, along with that this edge should be 30 degree to VP. Like this we need to make an inclination such that it should maintain 30 degree with VP. When we rotate clockwise direction, this horizontal plane will come downside, so it will come like this. Then that means we need to draw 30 degree line. On this 30 degree line, this lamina should take and the longest side should be kept on that 30 degree line. So draw the 30 degree line first. While placing it, we should not place near to that. That's such that this C should not cross the XY line. That's why keep some distance and place it near downside. First mark the A and A to B, measure it and draw the arc. We'll get B and then join this with the visible line. So after that, B to C, measure it, draw the arc, then A to C, measure it, draw the one more arc, we will get C, then join those two sides. After finishing this, draw the vertical projections to get the final view. From the C dash, draw the horizontal projection. From the B dash of A dash is along the XY line. No need to draw it again. So A to A dash, we will get A dash here, then B, A dash will get, and now C dash will get. Now join A dash to B dash, B dash to C dash, and back to A dash. Okay. Finally, it is get finished. Now one by one again we will discuss. The first step, the set square is resting on HP on its longest side. So that's why we kept the longest side on the left side. So why we need to keep left side means we will hold the left side in the next step and we are lifting the other side. So that's why we are keeping on the left side. And then we taken 30 degree, 60 degree set square and we did, and after that we got the front view straight line, and then next step we made the entire set square 45 degree to HP. And then we got the top view, and the longest side is inclined to BP at 30 degree. That's why we taken 30 degree, and this longest side is kept over here. And finally, we got the last front view. Like this, the set square, the 30 degree, 60 degree set square is inclined to HP at 45 degree and BP 30 degree. So